Whole family dies after this simple mistake that this woman made in the kitchen. What person does not like a good plate of chips, baked potatoes or a potato omelette? They are a delicious and versatile food, which can be used in various recipes. What you may not know is that sometimes they can be deadly when we have them in large quantities, and that they have been there for a long time. It would be best to discard them. Continue listening and you will see why you tell us this. This is the sad story of 8-year-old Maria Chelysheva, of Russian origin, who was orphaned in 2014. Her dad went to the basement of the house but never returned. Then his mother decided to go see what was happening, but neither he came back. But this does not end here. The brother of Maria and his grandmother also happened to them. A sad end to this family except the little Maria. It is important for us to know that potatoes contain glycoalkaloids. This is a chemical compound that is found in poisonous solanaceous plants, which makes potatoes naturally toxic in certain situations, not only when they are ingested, but even by inhalation of this chemical compound. This poison rises when the potatoes rot, causing them to emit a toxic gas hazard, which is a deadly compound. The moment Maria's mother entered the basement, she left the door open and the gas dissipated a little. What happened to Maria was something very heartbreaking, but miraculously she lived to tell her story and warn others about it. High risk of rotting potatoes. So you already know if you can be at risk in your house, so the ideal thing is to get rid of them before it's too late. We really hope you find this video useful. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.